My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side with another legit intel. I don't come your screen with another breaking news on the things and things that they happen for inside the country Nigeria. The cocoa I want yarn the general public now waiting the victory of Donald Trump mean for the country Nigeria. I want yarn the general public on how the victory of the US president-elect to be Donald Trump could they affect the lifestyle of Nigerians. And the cocoa be say, as Donald Trump now don't win a historic second term as president, as he defeats the Democratic Party presidential candidate will be Kamala Harris for one victory speech now we make for inside Florida in Condiyano say American people now don't give up on president and powerful mandates. Then he come promise the cheering crowd for an election night rally for West Palm Beach inside Florida say this go truly be the golden age of America. And no be lie, my good people, Donald Trump return to the White House they set to reshape the US foreign policy as he promised radical shift on multiple fronts as war and uncertainty don't grip some parts of the world. And during in campaign, Oga Donald Trump be make some broad policy pledges so they based on principles of non-interventionism and trade protectionism. That is to say, he go put America first before any other matter. Now as he don't win so, men wey Sabina don't break down wetin this in America first pledge if he mean for Nigeria, which can impact wey the thing will get on the lifestyle of country people. And according to one analyst wey come the yarn they give Tory people, he said this America first way Oga Donald Trump now don't pledge, if it means say make other countries go take care of themselves in terms of funding, support and their own security, make everybody just do their day. And Africa now, if it no be major focus for the US presidential candidates during their campaign for the election, but the election now one thing will be say it did the mind of many country people across the continent. Opinions been dey divided on who go win the hotly contested race, especially with the potential impact of US foreign policy on Africa, from Ethiopia to Egypt, South Africa to we country Nigeria. African leaders don't congratulate Oga Donald Trump wetin no good shortly after in dey clear, after they don't observe and say last now this man now go win the election. Our Nigerian president will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the congratulatory message in the yarn saying they look forward to strengthening the ties between we country Nigeria and the United States of America for the middle of these complex challenges and opportunities of the contemporary world. And he said together we fit foster economic cooperation plus promote peace and address global challenges where they affect our citizens. This na the things and things where Oga President will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu yarn for inside in congratulatory message where he give Oga Donald Trump. And no be lie, my good people, during Oga Donald Trump first term in office, he no visit Africa. This now come make people come dey question in limited engagement with the continent. Also for inside the year 2018, he can allegedly call nations ready for inside the continent shitholes when lawmakers been visit them to discuss one bipartisan proposal wey go impose new restrictions on immigration. But in last can't deny the alleged language. He say he no use that word shithole when they no can dey put word for a match. But however, my good people, analysts they hope say a second term in office go give am opportunity to strengthen the US policy on African issues like health, trade and security. From in comments now during the run-up to the election and in track record for office from the year 2017 to 2021, these are some things where Oga Donald Trump victory fit mean for the country Nigeria and Africa at large. Could that my good people make a yarn you legit? The number one possible thing where Oga Donald Trump go do we go affect the country Nigeria now to deport undocumented migrants. You know say under a Donald Trump government, Nigeria go expect tough anti-immigration policies wey dey similar to wetin im promote during im first term in office. And Oga Donald Trump during im campaign, im bin promise to carry out the biggest mass deportation of people wey no get legal permission to plaster for inside the United States of America. The immigration matter now na the top of im list just as the matter bin be like for inside the year 2016 when "Build the Wall" na im signature slogan that year. Number 2 on my list na economy. According to Professor Alabi, he said the victory of Donald Trump as the president of America e go impact the third world countries as the interest of the western world dey different with that of the third world countries wey Nigeria fall under. He say for instance, if Nigeria dey produce cars, TV sets, automobiles and other items, who go buy cars for other parts of the world? The development of the third world dey inversely related to the development of the West. No be small matter like this, my good people. Professor Alabi come still dey yarn say make Nigerians no expect much from Donald Trump presidency because he no rate Africa. But meanwhile, Oga Donald Trump bin promise to expand US energy production and open areas like the Arctic wilderness to oil drilling, and he bin argue that time say e go lower energy costs. Number 3 on my list na trade. You know say the world now dey try reason how serious wey Oga Donald Trump dey about taxing all the imports wey dey enter the United States from friend to foe. No be just individual countries like China or sectors like washing machines, but everything from everywhere. Is anything now dey enter, im go make sure say im tax all of them. During the campaign, Oga Donald Trump bin threa ten tariffs in all directions to achieve all manner of diplomatic aims, from containing China to protecting the role of the dollar. And tariff na the most beautiful word for the dictionary. Im talk say na weapon im be, and this na source of leverage wey im intend to use, wey im dey plan say im go use. And now im don propose new 10 to 20% tariffs on most foreign goods with imports from China, wey go be the largest at 60%. Donald Trump say this na part of im attempt to promote homegrown manufacturers and stop outsourcing. Then the last but not the least on my list of wetin Donald Trump victory fit mean for the lifestyle of we country Nigeria and Africa at large na LGBTQ. You know say we country Nigeria never come to terms with the idea of same-sex relations. Country people now dey believe say their democracy never strong reach, plus authorities never get respect for human rights. Although Donald Trump no too touch on the subject of LGBTQ during im campaign, but for im first term as US president, he say he no go agree with marriage between people of the same sex. And also for inside one video where im take dey outline im 2024 presidential agenda, Oga Donald Trump bin describe gender-affirming care as chemical, physical and emotional mutilation of youth, and he come promise to end all programs wey dey promote the concept of sex and gender transition at any age. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.